Hi friends, today I'm back in the workshop, but I'm at the office end because today's video is the toy till by Learning Resources. Now it's at the end of the day, end of my work shift, so I'm going to be using the till anyways, but I thought, do you know what? I've showed it off on the other channel, but not properly. So the till does have money in it. I've had this till for 4 years, 5 years now. Yeah, I've had it for a good spell of time, and it's a good sturdy till. Now there are some pros and cons. Let's get into the pros, right? The pros are buttons are nice and big, and the screen is nice and big. Let's see if I do. Right. Now sorry, I forgot to. Your on-off buttons are on the very bottom. Then you've got your numbers. It's very set like a calculator, this till. It's very like the Casio tills. If you've seen them, very like the Casio tills. Only the thing you don't get with this is a key. You get your card reader on the left-hand side, and then there's a bit where you can put your receipts. As you can tell, we're in a workshop environment and a bit of a damp shed, so it has been, it's not the best of things. The receipt pad's been well used. Like I said, I've had it for years. I'm going to show you the back of the till. That's the back of the till. Not really much to show. Like I say, it does look like a Casio. Very like a Casio. Now, I'm showing this drawer off. Because this is where all the toy money lives. So if I want to get £4.50 out, till there's 250p's. There's another, there's £2. So for £4.50 I only need... Oh, there's a real £2 there, but it's a very old one. And I'll show that off. So that's a bit overboard. We don't need that one. We do need so we've got £4 there. We got £2 and a pound. Oh, that's £3. So we just need another pound, really. If we can get another pound, if we can find another pound in this video. Wait a second. Hold on a sec. If I get another. It'll have to be a £2. And then for 50p, we're gonna suffer in this life because I've no 50p's in here. I wonder where that is. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, no, I've got a 50p, so I've got a 50. And there you go. There's my £4.50 that I have. Now, if I was paying by card, he says, I took the card out the till. Where did I put the card? There's my toy wallet, which I'm doing for another video. Card is here. Swipe the card. And I've paid £4.50 using... I'll put the card back in. There. And just to prove that I've paid £4.50 or taken £4.50 out for this video, I'm going to do a 450. That looks like 450,000 or 4,050. But there you go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the toy till. I'll just show you. I do have some notes in here. I do have some receipts in here. It's a bit scatty. But there you go. That is the till. And if you want to buy one of those, just go to learningresources.com. I'll have the link in the description. So your mums and dads can go and get it for you if you wish. I think they do these on Amazon. The toy wallet also comes from Learning Resources. I didn't get that with this till. But there's another video on the wallet coming on this channel and the money. And if I ever get any more toy things, or if I find any more toys that I've got, I'll review them on this channel. Anyway, that's it for this video. I've got to go back because it's the end of my shift and I want to get the money sorted. Bye!